Hello guys, welcome back to Tronic Synergy. So last time we added a 74LS195 to our password lock system, and it helped us to program the circuit when we want to update the new password. Right here on top we have added another circuitry which is going to show you these are two monostable circuits. So the first monostable is going to show you a green LED which is going to illustrate that access has been granted when you put the correct password. The next is an alarm system which is going to turn on a red LED, meaning that your access is denied when you put the wrong password. So last time someone suggested that once I press enter, the LED should clear, because we want to encrypt this password. Don't want the next person coming to use this to know or to realize what the password is from the last user. So I've added also that circuitry. You can see these two BC547 transistors right here, which are going to clear these NE555s once I press enter, just to make the circuit more encrypted. And so let me just explain what we have on. So these are two monostables. I've said two monostable circuits. They have different capacitor sizes and values. So this is a smaller capacitor as compared to this one. It's a 220 microfarad capacitor, but this is a 1000 microfarad capacitor. So basing on those values, it means that this LED is going to turn on for a very short period of it's going to turn on at shorter time as compared to this one. So this is going to turn on for around, let's say, 2 to 3 seconds, while this one is going to stay on for about 9 seconds or so. So the circuitry right here you can see these two ICs. They are just to trigger this monostable. So we have a NOT gate right here, and we have an AND gate. So the purpose of the NOT gate is to get the output from the monostable, first monostable, invert that output, then it enters as an input in the AND gate. So the purpose of this inversion is just to check, yes, you have the wrong password because the monostable is not on. So that inversion is going to turn that 0 into a 1. That 1 is going to enter this AND gate, and the other input of the AND gate is the NOT gate. This enter, this enter key. So once I press this, because it's on, and also the inversion, because you have entered the wrong password, is also on, then it's going to trigger this to illustrate that you have the wrong password. The circuitry that's triggering this is just basically the output of these AND gates, which check if you have the correct password, and the push button right here, which are all going to trigger this circuit to illustrate that you have the correct password. Let's try messing around with it. So let's try this. This is a password 1011. So the first dip switch is on 10, then 11. So the password is 1. I jump this, then 11. So 1011. Press enter. Then the green LED turns on, meaning that you have the correct password. And as you can see, immediately I press enter, all the NE555 clear. So this LED is all clear, meaning that we have washed away all that had been inputted, meaning that we encrypt the password for the next person to come and put his password. Let me just press enter right now. Then it shows that you have the wrong password because what you have put is 0000, yet the password is 1011. Let's update the password. Let's put 0001. So 0001. So this is the password. Let's press enter, and the green LED turns on, meaning that you have the correct password. If I press enter, let me just put another combination like that. Let me press enter. It's the wrong password. That's the wrong password, and I can clear this using this reset. Then I press the right password. Let me just guess another password. All of them, I turn them on. I press enter. Is still the wrong password. The green LED is not on. So this time we are going to add other NE555s. I have another breadboard, so I'm going to add another circuitry which is going to give you the number of attempts which you can do, or number of attempts which you can put in order for the alarm to start. If you can just relate to this to that system, if you have a phone or a laptop, and when you put the wrong password, it gives you maybe 3 attempts for you and if you fail in all those 3 attempts, maybe it does something else. So that's what I'm going to add. I'm going to add another circuitry which is going to give you 3 attempts, which you will have when you put the wrong password. If you just put the wrong password to the last attempt, then it's going to turn on the alarm, which is going to have a buzzer, and it's going to cry out unless you press the reset button to start all over again. So that's basically what we are going to do next time. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and yeah, I really hope you learn. So thank you very much guys for watching this, and subscribe, share this video to as many people, like, comment, and hope to see you next time. Goodbye.